Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I asked you, how'd I light this? In this series of videos, I go through some images I've shot. Some are older, some are newer. I ask you how you think I lit it, but also how would you light it? And then we talk about it a bit here. After you're done watching the video, let me know if you got it right, or if you didn't vote, if you would do something different, or maybe what you'd do with what tools that you have, because you might not have what I used here, which is dado lights. This model came to my studio. This is a really simple shot, to be honest with you. It's literally one light. We can see the light right there in her eyes. There's actually two reflections of it. We see this and we see that. That's one light source in her eye. So basically what's going on here is I have a softbox, and it is right over here. It's feathered, as we often say, to mostly hit this wall. That's why this side of her is much darker. And then what I have over here, which is filling in, is just a fill card. So if you think of it like this, subject here, softbox here, slightly above, but not too far above to get that Rembrandt-y vibe, right? You can actually see the shadow of the softbox here. And then there's a fill card right here. That's it, just a piece of cardboard. It was probably silver, I'm guessing, looking at it. And this created this image, nice and easy. I backed the softbox up so the fall off wasn't as quick. We can see how gentle it is because it's relatively large. This was shot with a dado light, so it was a little bit easier for me to tweak it. You can actually see back here how hard her shadow is, and that's how dark this would have been if I didn't use the fill card. So again, the fill card's important here. It's brought right in there. Obviously, it's not filling the background because the light is actually kind of going past her, right? This is something I use quite a bit. To get that shadow side or the short lighting, you need to light the opposite side of your model, right? So oftentimes that side of the background will be bright, and that's a good giveaway if you see an image like that. Let me know again in the comments what you would do differently or the same. Also, like the video, if you did, obviously. Ring the bell so you get notifications, subscribe to the channel, all that good YouTube stuff. Also check the description. You'll find links to my Discord server and such where you can sign up and join the conversation. I'll talk to you soon.